You are looking to start selling your own digital products, or you've just found a really profitable affiliate offer and you want to start promoting that. If that is the case, this is how you're going to do it. Hey guys, it's MrMoney here, and today's video is all about making money online by selling digital products. In order to achieve that, we are going to make use of Gumroad, which is a free tool that is going to help us tremendously. And I'm also going to walk you through the entire process one step at a time so that a beginner can also take advantage of today's tutorial. If that sounds cool, then drop us a like, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. As I said before, you're going to have a wide range of opportunities and different options here that you can choose from. Tutorials and guides, software programs, recipes, why not, apps. It doesn't matter what type of digital product you're going to choose, this method is still going to work regardless. And that is because Gumroad is only going to help us with selling that particular digital product and not creating it. That is because with Gumroad, anyone can earn their first dollar online. Just start with what you know, see what sticks, and then get paid. It is that easy. They're going to make the whole process pretty straightforward. You're going to start small, learn quickly, get better together, and eventually start generating some real profits. Instead of selling a book, start by selling a blog post. Why not? Selling physical products is going to be way harder than selling digital ones. And that is because you need to take care of the production and the shipping, and those are going to be additional costs that you need to take care of. And so digital products are going to seriously cut down on your expenses. Gumroad essentially allows you to sell anything: video lessons, monthly subscriptions, physical products, whatever. Gumroad was created to help you experiment with all kinds of ideas and formats. Sell to anyone, and most importantly, sell anywhere. You're going to create and customize your storefront using all of their useful tools. And in case you're wondering whether or not other people are making use of Gumroad, well, they have generated over $3 million over the last week. This is the amount of income earned by Gumroad digital entrepreneurs over the last 7 days. There are going to be a lot of additional features here that you can check out in your spare time. I'm not going to bore you with that. And instead, here's what I want you to do. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on... And by creating an account, you're going to join the 100,000 creators who earned over $500 million on Gumroad selling subscriptions. Once you have logged into your account, you can fully customize your profile, including the style, and you can even add the profile picture. Once you're done with that, let's head over to the products, and this is where the magic happens. And setting up a new campaign is going to be fairly simple as well. Basically, you're just going to click on New Product, and you guys can choose between two options. You can either start selling today, or you can charge on a recurring basis. In other words, this is either going to be a one-time purchase, or it is going to be a recurring membership that users have to pay. For instance, let's just say that we are trying to sell a course, how to automate your YouTube channel, and we are charging $1,000 for it. Now, you can also additionally choose whether or not this product contains one or more physical goods. But remember, we are focusing on digital products here, so that is not going to be the case. And let's click on Next, Customize. Now, as you guys could probably see, Gumroad is not necessarily a tool that beginners can use. Now, don't get me wrong, it is fairly beginner friendly, but that is not what I mean. If you're just starting out, Gumroad is not necessarily going to be all that useful because you need to have a product, you need to have some expertise or a certain skill set that you can share with other people, you need a digital product that you're able to create, and so on and so forth. However, there is actually a way you can get started without having any products, and I'm about to cover it in the next few minutes, so stay tuned for that. Optimizing your product listing is going to be fairly straightforward. All you gotta do is add the name, add a description, customize your URL. You can actually add any extension that you want in order to make it more straightforward, and then the usual stuff. Moving on, you can also choose an image or a video to depict your product, add some product info, and eventually the content. Up next, as soon as you head over to the checkout section, you can choose to add some discounts for your clients. You can also choose the payment methods, some details about the receipts, and so on and so forth. And eventually, you're going to share that. But now, let's just say that you lack a digital product and you also don't have an audience to sell it to. What are you going to do? Well, you can take advantage of other people's work. If you guys head over to any affiliate marketplace, including digistore24.com, you're going to find a lot of digital products here. There is a category on the website dedicated to digital products, and there are going to be multiple subcategories: fitness and health, food and drinks, games and fun, personal development, everything you want. And here's the thing, people have already spent the time and made a lot of effort in order to make sure that their products are legit, they are high quality, and they are going to sell well. Additionally, what you can do is sort the results by their sales rank, popularity, and so on and so forth in order to make sure you're going to choose a suitable product. And now, instead of having to create your own product, you can sell some other people's product and still get an 80% commission, for instance. That is going to save you a lot of time. You don't have to build up an entire audience. You don't have to build a personal brand, create a YouTube channel, or anything of that sort. You can just grab your affiliate link, and if you're going to paste that in a new window, here is what happens. They're going to send you to a landing page. This has already been backtested so that it converts well. And so you don't have to do any further backtesting, any further research. You can just get started right away. And if you guys choose to do that, you can still use Gumroad, but save a lot of time in the process. And so it doesn't matter if you're an entrepreneur or an influencer, it doesn't matter if you have a massive social media following or you have 0 followers, you can still get started selling a digital product, and it doesn't necessarily have to be yours. And in either way, you can still start using Gumroad as a very useful tool that's going to help you through the process. That's it for now. Take massive action, and I'll see you next time.